Hello Sterling Park parents and students. Today we were going to be doing a quick lesson on chapter number 1, lesson number 5, the concept properties to add. The first thing we noted in this lesson is that we are learning about the associative property of addition that states it doesn't really matter which way you add your add-ins together, you'll still get the same sum. So an example we gave of that is if you have the numbers 16 plus 7 plus 23, and we look at these two together, when we add, if we added the 16 and the 7 and then added the 23, we would still get the same answer if we added the 23 plus the 7 and then the 16. So the idea that it doesn't matter what order we add the numbers together, you're still going to get the same answer. For this particular lesson, we had the students looking at 3 or more numbers and putting them together to try to find a sum. So we started off with an example. I'm going to read a word problem and we're going to work through the word problem together. Mrs. Gomez sold 23 cucumbers, 38 tomatoes, and 42 peppers at the farmer's market. How many vegetables did she sell in all? So the students need to be able to pull out from there that there were 23 cucumbers, plus 38 tomatoes, plus 42 peppers, and 42 peppers, and we know that it's addition because the problem says how many did she sell in all, leading us to understand that it is addition. For this particular problem, we want to make sure we have the students line the numbers up so the place values line up. Like so. So we have our 1s and our 10s on the different side of the place value. What we're teaching the students here is that we can combine numbers or look in the place value to make it easy additions to 10. For example, on this side, 8 and 2 easily make the number 10. So we're able to see that 8 and 2 make 10, and then we have the 3, so then that we know that this would be 13, and we carry the 1. And we can do the same thing on this side. 2 and 1 is 3. 4 and 3 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. So our answer is 103. Another example we can do with this one, we can also use it with 4 numbers. So if I had the numbers, the additions problem 11 plus 19 plus 16 plus 14, and I line them up using place value. Then I can look at it and I can see easily that 9 and 1 makes 10, 6 and 4 makes 10, obviously 10 and 10 makes 20, so I can place the 0, carry the 2, and then just add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get my 60. What you're going to see a lot of students doing here is they're going to be trying to combine numbers, or they're going to try to combine things that aren't easy to combine. We're looking for them to be able to visually see, oh, that makes a 10. Oh, this makes a 10. So for this example that I'm about to show you, you'll be able to see that although there is a 10, the students won't as easily see this 10 because they're focused on the fact that they're not next to each other. So when I look at this sample, I have 13 plus 49 plus 87. And if I look in the 1's digits place, I have 3 and 9. Well, I know those don't equal 10. And I have 9 and 7. I know those don't equal 10. So I'm going to have kids that are going to tell me, no, there's no way for me to equal to 10. However, if they look and use their eyes, 7 and 3 make 10. And so therefore, we have the 10 and the 9 left over. So that makes our 19 that will carry over to the next one. Same thing here. This is just kind of a visual thing for them to be able to pull out. Since we carried the 1, now this kind of looks like a 2. 8 and those 2 would also make 10. And so then you have 14. Hopefully this small tutorial was helpful to you and you'll be able to use it to help your child with properties to add, and we'll be adding more videos as the semester goes on. Thank you so much. Bye.